Today we have a video from the Crime Piece, and the title of the video is Democratic Candidate Arrested at No Kings Rally.
Giving to you right now are to walk over here. Those are my instructions to you. The instructions that I'm giving to you right now are to walk over here. Those are my instructions to you.
I am disobeying those instructions, Sergeant.
How are you? Come on over here and talk to us.
Let's go.
Right over there. We're gonna walk up here. Come on, bud. Out of the street. All right. When you guys set this up, obviously, did you read the ordinances and the requirements for like what you're allowed to do and not allowed to do for your permit and everything like that in the city ordinance?
Where do you set it up? I'm a candidate for Congress.
Okay. Are you aware that there's ordinance and laws that say you're not allowed to be?
No, sir. I thought I was just doing my First Amendment speech thing.
No, you're not allowed to use a loudspeaker.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So we have the same conversation with people down here every single time. You can't have the loudspeaker out here. All right.
Okay.
So no amplified devices.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
You have your ID card on you?
I sure do.
Okay. Thank you. Just hang out 1 second. I'm gonna pull my car up here. 137. Gonna be out with 1 12 to 13, please. Downtown area.
I mean, sounds pretty reasonable. I mean, even the guy, the candidate, the Democratic candidate or something, Congress something, even he's coming off pretty normal. I don't think he was an asshole. I don't think the cop was an asshole so far. So far everything looks pretty good to me. I don't know how this escalates to an arrest, but we're gonna find out. Simple stuff. Probably a ticket you'll probably get, maybe. Just can't use the loudspeaker. No problem, man.
Officer, sorry, I'm Don's campaign manager. I'm just trying to understand what's going on.
So anything is dealing directly with him. If he wants to share information with you, that's perfectly fine, but he's gonna have to be the one that shares it, okay?
Great response. Who the hell are you? Get the heck away from my car. Great response. Campaign manager. Talk to him. This is between officer and him, not you. Everybody else wants to always get in the middle of things, right? We see it a lot of times with parents and stuff like that. We just seen a case yesterday. Well, if you're watching my channel for the first time, then you didn't see this, but yesterday we did a case on some undercover cops pulled over a lady, a lady, and then the mom rolls up to the traffic stop wanting questions and answers and this and that. Like, who the hell? The person we're pulling is a grown adult. We don't owe you anything. This is between us and them. If they want to tell you their business, then that's fine. Same thing here, man. Campaign manager. Get if you don't get away from my goddamn car.
Got it. They're not giving you dude a hard time, are they?
Do what?
They're not giving your guy a hard time, are they? Like our group isn't giving your officer a hard time, are they?
You mean besides the three people that just yelled F the Grove City Police?
Right, yeah, besides the dumb shit.
Besides the normal ones, I wouldn't be so sure. So
I just want to make sure we're not.
Yeah.
I want to intercept if we can. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yep. We just have some basic rules that everybody has to follow that we try and make known every time, and I think we do pretty good. I think we do pretty good normally with everybody following all the rules. This is just a a weird one-off where it looks like someone probably isn't from around here and they decided to bring what they thought they're allowed to do into the city where they're not. So,
okay.
Yeah. So if you
nothing we need to like push somebody away from.
No, it doesn't seem like it right now.
All right.
Hey, Mr. Leonard, come on up here. Come on over here. Come on over here.
It's a big fucking deal. You guys are making this a big fucking deal. Let's do it right here.
Okay, come on.
No, I'm good. My name is Don Leonard. I'm a Democratic candidate for Congress in Ohio's 15th district. I'm exercising my First Amendment right, and you guys have 2 cruisers here, like I'm packing heat or something.
No one says anything about your packing heat.
Okay? What's all this about?
But there was a violation of the law. Okay, and we're required to enforce the law. All right. So what the instructions that I'm giving to you right now are to walk over here. Those are my instructions to you.
I am disobeying those instructions, Sergeant.
Listen, I'm an attorney.
Okay.
So I'm going to be witnessing this.
That's perfectly fine, ma'am.
So, all right.
What, First Amendment right, the bullhorn had a battery attached to it. Is this the biggest problem in Grove City today?
No, it's not.
Then go
That's what I'm saying. We can just solve this right now.
Why don't y'all get on with enforcing the big stuff here? Write me up if you want. I understand. I broke a rule I didn't understand existed.
Which is what I'm trying to explain to you.
Let's do it.
Right? So step on over here with me.
I'm all set.
Okay. Are you ready to step over here?
I'm all set.
Is he free to go?
All right.
I'm all set.
Okay.
Sir, is he free to go?
You recall that I just told you to step over there.
137.
I do recall that.
Okay. You understand that's a direct order.
I do understand that's a direct order.
And you understand you're failing to comply with that order.
I understand that I was out here exercising my First Amendment right, and I'd prefer to have...
At this point in time, you're under arrest. Place your hands back behind your back.
Okay,
Thank
what
you.
are the charges?
Together like you're clapping.
Back up, everybody.
I wonder what the charge is gonna be. Step over here. It's a little bit of a stretch. I'm not gonna lie. I want to hear what the charge is gonna be.
Can I give my campaign manager my...
Hold on a second. Yep, come on this way. Stop. Okay. All right, stop this way.
You guys, this is a really great look for the Grove City Police Department.
It's not a great look for anybody. That's why we tried to have this conversation with you in person.
This sucks so bad.
We have some basic laws, and I was just trying to talk to you about it.
Come on, buddy. What's your name, sir? My name is Don Leonard. Don, do you have anything illegal on you? Can I punch you or jab me? No, sir. Okay. All right, spread your feet wider than your shoulders forward, please. Thank you.
Because it's a democratic, you didn't do anything wrong. There's a young man who is shoving into people and claiming a bigger investigation. And they're over here just a moment ago.
Did you get my keys from my campaign manager?
Yep, we'll get all your property for you, man.
Your campaign manager, how much of this would you like to go to him?
All of it.
Everything you have.
The gentleman
that brought the tap. Yep, I got you. Thanks, bud.
She's the sergeant, so she'll know.
He said he wanted you to have all of it, okay?
Yes, thank you. I need to know where you are.
so I can go find it.
Taking the video.
Yeah. Ready?
Can you just tell him where he's going?
Can you give us back the bullhorn?
Yeah, he's going to sit there.
Can you give us back the bullhorn?
We can't right now.
Do you want me to?
Yep.
Damn, bro. What the hell? That's it? What's the charges? To amplify it. Unreasonable law, which is a violation. He was arrested and later released. But what was the... I don't even know what the charge was, though. Come on. Let's look what the charge... What's the charge? Arrested. After using megaphone. Instructions. Charge. What's the charge? Oh, charged with obstructing official business. Okay. I mean, I don't think that's gonna stick. Cause I don't obstructing official business. You know, I could care less if Democrat, Republican, what's this stuff in the independent, whatever. What you believe, whatever side you believe, and just because you are registered as one side doesn't mean you always have to vote that side. I could care less about that, and this isn't even really about that. It's the part that I have kind of a problem with is, the officer said, "Okay, step over here," but like, why couldn't it have happened? I don't understand why he had to step over there to read a ticket. I don't think that's gonna stick. That's not sticking. Obstructing official business. Just give him his ticket and go about the way. I mean, the bullhorn. I get it. But the whole, I don't know. I just think it was a stretch, honestly. And you know, some people may disagree and they may think too much into it as Democrat, liberal, this and that. Listen, I'm looking at this guy as an individual. And yes, I think the guy conducted himself pretty well. Okay, he was using the bullhorn. You can't use the bullhorn. Noise ordinance. Okay, write the ticket. Go about your business. But because you wanted him to step over here after you guys already went down the block the first time, like, think about this. Like, it I don't know. I don't know. I don't get it. Could the guy have just stepped over there? Yeah, sure. Yeah, no. But could the cop just have explained it to him right there? Sure. I mean, it's a ticket. It's a ticket. This is all over a bullshit ticket. Both sides should have been a little bit more. I ain't got nothing to say about this, but I don't think this is gonna stick. Nothing. It's a fucking ticket. Okay, it's a ticket. Give him his ticket. Go about your way. You know, because I'm asking you to step over here, but what lawful order is that? What, like, are you afraid for your safety over here, or like what like, why? That's how I look at it. I'm like, why? Nothing wrong right here. Your officers are right here. We're talking. Nothing, you know. Type up your paperwork. Just hand me my ticket. Explain the ticket to me, and that's the end of the situation. You have already walked all the way back over here, right? He already walked over. Like, watch this.
Hold on a second. Yep. And you're back.
Okay,
Thank
what
you.
did they
All right. So what? The city where they're not. So come on over here.
Look, Come on over here. Come on over here. After they already walked prior. Because they were at the corner. And then they walked down from the corner. It was like, come on over here.
Come on over here.
It's a big fucking deal. You guys are making this a big fucking deal. Let's do it right here.
Okay, come on.
Whether he thinks it's a big deal or not, whatever, you did break, you broke the rule. It is what it is. You broke the rule, the ordinance, get your ticket. But I don't, and you're going to walk all the way back over here.
And we're required to enforce the law. All right. So what the instructions that I'm giving to you right now are to walk over here. Those are my instructions to you.
I am disobeying those instructions, Sergeant.
Listen, I'm an attorney.
Okay.
So I'm going to be witnessing this.
That's perfectly fine, ma'am.
So, all right.
What, you know, First Amendment right, the bullhorn had a battery attached to it.
All that bullshit he talking about, First Amendment, we ain't talking about that. I'm just focused on this whole part about walk over here. If you don't walk over here, I'm arresting you. That's the part that I care about. Whatever he talking about, First Amendment, the bullhorn, you can't use it, period. You're in the wrong.
Is this the biggest problem in Grove City today?
No, it's not.
Then go
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. We can just solve this right
why don't you all get on with enforcing the big stuff here? Write me up if you want. I understand. I broke a rule I didn't understand existed.
Which is what I'm trying to explain to you.
Let's do it.
Right? So step on over here with me.
I'm all set.
Okay. Are you ready to step over here?
I'm all set.
Is he free to go?
All right.
I'm all set.
Okay.
Sir, is he free to go?
You recall that I just told you to step over there.
137.
I do recall that.
Okay. You understand that's a
What type of fucking lawyer is this? First of all, he's giving him a ticket. No, he's not free to go. What type of lawyer is this, man? She keep asking that dumbass, is he free to go? No. At the very least, he's getting a citation or whatever for this ordinance problem. This bullhorn shit.
direct order.
I do understand that's a direct order.
And you understand you're failing to comply with that order.
I understand that I was out here exercising my First Amendment right, and I'd prefer to have...
At this point in time, you're under arrest. Place your hands back behind your backs.
Okay,
Thank
what
you.
are the charges?
Together like you're clapping.
Back up, everybody.
Yeah, I mean, it goes both ways. I think the officer was just a little butthurt. That's my personal opinion. But you could have gave him his ticket right there. But also, you don't want them dictating the circumstances. You know, the situation. You know, you don't want them dictating what's going on and stuff like that. But you're arresting them for not stepping over there. I mean, whatever. I mean, this is just I believe this is a whole bunch of bullshit. You know, on both sides. The cop, I mean, you got butthurt because he didn't want to step over there. Even though you came back over here, he understands he's getting the ticket. Give him his ticket and be done with it. Like, why do I gotta step over there? I don't understand that. Whatever. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.